ever find yourself endlessly searching on your computer through thousands of photos just to find that one special memory? What if I told you there's a way to make every photo in your library searchable in seconds? Stick around because in this video, I'll show you how to master keywording and tagging in Adobe Bridge to take your photo organizing to the next level. Plus, I've got a bonus tip at the end to make your tagging process even more efficient, so don't miss it. Why do keywording and tagging? First, let's talk about why keywording and tagging are so essential. Keywording allows you to label photos with relevant terms like beach, family, or wedding, so you can quickly find them later. Tagging adds an extra layer of organization by grouping photos under broader categories like events, locations, or people. For example, instead of scrolling through a folder of 5,000 vacation photos, you can type beach or Hawaii into the search bar and find exactly what you're looking for in seconds when you've keyworded those photos. Step 1. Setting up Adobe Bridge for keywording. Before we start keywording and tagging, let's make sure Adobe Bridge is ready to go. So open up Adobe Bridge and navigate to the folder containing your photos using the area on the left-hand side. Switch to thumbnail view by selecting the little grid at the bottom of the middle panel. And open up the keywords panel by going to Window and Keywords to bring up the panel. This is where all the magic happens. Step 2. Adding keywords to photos. Now let's start adding keywords to our photos. So select the folder you want to add the keywords to over on the left-hand side of the panel. My top tip is if you want to see all the folders below in a whole folder structure, then go to View and Show Items from Subfolders, and all your photos will be there from all of the folders and subfolders. Now select your photos. Click on a single photo or select a run of photos. Click the first photo, press the Shift or Option key and select the end run of photos. To do a random selection of multiple photos, click your first photo, press and hold the Control or Command key and continue to select your photos. With the photo selected, we need to choose or create a keyword. In the keyword panel, check the box next to existing keywords to apply it. Or to create a new keyword, click the plus icon at the bottom of the panel. For example, you might like to create family, beach, or 2003 vacation. Then, with the photo still selected, tick the box to add that keyword to all the photos. It is that simple. Step 3. Searching by keywords. Once your photos are tagged, you can search them instantly with the search bar. Type in things like family, birthday, stained glass windows, and Bridge will display all matching photos. Combine keywords for precise results. For example, search for beach plus 2023 to show any beach photos from that year. This feature is a game changer for finding specific memories in seconds. Step 4. Organizing your keywords. To keep your keyword system tidy and consistent, you can edit and organize your keywords. The first thing to do is edit your keywords. You can change a keyword whenever you want by right-clicking on it in the keyword panel and renaming or deleting it. For example, if you no longer need 2020 trip, you can delete it or merge it with a broader category like vacations. To keep your keywords tidy, you can move them into the default categories by just dragging them over. You can export your keywords at any time by right-clicking or secondary clicking on the keyword heading and go to Export to save your list of keywords for future use or to share with collaborators. This ensures your system stays organized even as your library grows. Step 5. Tagging with ratings and labels. Tagging and keywording isn't just about keywords. You can combine it with rates and color labels for even more organization. You can use star ratings to rank your photos by quality or importance. You can apply label colors to indicate status, like green for edited photos, yellow for photos that need reviewing. For example, 5-star photos with a green label mean it's top quality, fully edited image ready for use. Bonus tip: use smart collections. And here's my game-changing tip. Create smart collections in Adobe Bridge to automatically group your photos by color labels, ratings, and keywords. Go to the Collections panel and select New Smart Collection. Select core keywords you want to easily find for all your photos. Save your collection with a decent name, and Adobe Bridge will auto-update it whenever you add more photos with those keywords to those particular folders. This is perfect for a dynamic workflow. No manual sorting required, and it will continue to add in more photos to your Smart Collection as you continue to work on sorting your photo collection. And there you have it, your complete guide to keywording and tagging in Adobe Bridge. With these techniques, you'll never waste time searching for photos again, and your library will always stay organized and easy to manage. But what if you think you have a ton of duplicates in your photo collection? Well, then check out this video next to find out about my favorite deduplication tools. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tips on managing your digital life. Have fun rediscovering your memories. I'll see you in my next video.